Hello everyone, my name is Ashwini Mishra and today I'll be discussing about the strategies used to utilize an employment agency for job search. After this learning session, uh, the learning outcomes of this session will be to provide understanding of different approach to get desired job, to detail strategies used to monitor employment agency, to get benefits of employment agency in best possible way, and to make job search process easy and clear for everyone. So suppose if there is an applicant who is looking for job, so it is very important for him to believe his employment agency, because they are the people who are going to represent the applicant in different organizations, and they will help them to get their dream job. So it is very important for him to believe the employment agency he is going to. Second thing is, the applicant should be upfront and should be honest to the employment agency, and he should believe that they have their best concerns at their heart. So whatever they will do in a good manner and in a positive way to help the candidate. Also, generally employment agency has more than one specialized consultant in different criterias or different fields. So at any given point of time, when the applicant feels that his or her consultant is not going well, or he is not up to his mark, or he is not up to his expectation, so he is free to change the employment agency, or he can change his consultant. Also, before going to the job agency, the applicant should do a proper homework about what actually he is looking for in a job, what kind of job he actually wants. So it is very important for him. Also, the job applicant should be clear about what is actually important for him. He should clearly state these criteria to the employment agency, that these are the factors that are highly mandatory for me, or these are the factors that are highly desirable for me, or these are the factors that are optional for me. So these are the things which can help him, and which can also help the employment agency to provide their desired job in the best possible way. Also, before starting this job searching process, the applicant should decide what his role will be, or what will be the role of employment agency throughout the whole process. And he must check the credentials of his consultant before starting this process, or before hiring the employment agency. That is also a critical factor. Regular follow-ups is highly advisable to the applicant. They should regularly monitor that actually the employment agency is looking for their job, or are searching for their job. They should provide the applicant should provide employment agencies with the alternatives and flexibilities. Suppose the line of work that the applicant has provided to the employment agency, and the applicant and the employment agency is finding it very difficult to get the job in the line of work that is provided by the applicant. So he has an alternate option to go for, and look at another job for the applicant. Another thing that applicant can do, just to ensure that the employment agency are looking to their case or not, is that they can watch, and they can ask the employment agency to hit multiple employers instead of focusing on few employers. And they can engage themselves as much as possible with the employment agency. They can spend more time with the employment agency, just to ensure that they are actually in the need of job, and employment agency should take them seriously to get their jobs. and the applicant can also like make telephone calls or send emails to them at regular interval of time, just to remind them that I am still looking for the job, I am not done yet, your job is not done yet, so I am still in the same situation, I am looking for the job. These are the factors. And one more thing, like if the applicant is looking for the say entry level of job or mid level of job, so he can the best option for him is to go to contingency employment agency that are basically designed or more beneficial for the entry level and mid level of jobs. And suppose if the applicant is looking for a higher level of job, they can go to the retained job search firms, like who are specialized in higher level, providing a higher level of jobs. So these are the factors that plays a crucial role in finding and to utilize an employment agency in job search. That's it. So now I have my few friends here, and they will discuss of their knowledge, their information, and their experience about whatever they know to like how to utilize the employment agency effectively. So Shishir will discuss with us the best possible way, the important factors that an applicant can use to effectively use the employment agency. Shishir will continue.
Hi guys, I'm Shishir. So when you will go to the job agency, you should know about that. You have trust on the job agency, because without trust, you can't rely on them. So, and the second thing is you have to check their past experience, their past records. They will able to give you the job or not. And the third thing is that job agency should able to understand your language. What do you want and where you want to go for the job. That's the things. Thank you. Bye.
Now Vishal will discuss the the role of applicants and the role of the employment agency. The role, the role of both the parties in finding the job. So Vishal will take over.
I think there should be mutual understanding and cooperation between the candidate and the agency, and they both must be very honest with each other and share as much information as they can. And both of them should know what is really important to each other, so that they can help each other in a good way. So that's what I think.
Thank you, Vishal. So throughout this whole session, we have came to a conclusion that we can summarize that there should be a sense of belief and trust between both the parties, applicant and the employment agency. Both parties should share their information, their findings, their research, and the progress in the job search. Whatever is happening, the both parties, applicant and the employment agency, both should share with each other, and both should be cooperative. Both should understand each other. That is I think that is the effective way to find the job. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Rachel. I'm a Careers Information Assistant here at the University of Essex. Prior to working at the university, I worked in the recruitment industry in London for 14 years. Using recruitment agencies is a great way to access vacancies that may not be advertised elsewhere. I'd like to give you my top tips for using recruitment agencies and how to get the most out of them when hunting for a job. Tip number 1, do your research. Make sure that the agencies you're approaching specialise in your chosen field. You can research them at the Recruitment and Employment Confederation website, which you'll find at www.rec.uk.com. Tip number 2, treat your appointment or telephone conversation with your consultant as you would an interview with a prospective employer. Dress appropriately in interview attire. Take along a CV tailored to the sector that you're applying to, and remember your interview technique. Good firm handshake and maintaining good eye contact throughout your interview. Tip number 3, Try to build a good rapport with your consultant. This way you'll ensure that they're working genuinely on your behalf. Remember, they'll decide whether to put your CV forward to the employer or not. Tip number 4, maintain regular contact with your consultant, either by telephone or email. It's probably a good idea to ask your consultant how they prefer you to keep in touch and how often. Finally, tip number 5, don't pay any fees. The employer will pay a fee to the recruitment agency once they find a candidate for the job. Also, don't rely on recruitment agencies alone to find you the job. Do continue your job search elsewhere.